In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how you can start mining crystals on Telegram and RUNSTONE. And if you watch this video till the end, I'll also show you other projects that you can key into on Telegram for free without any transaction fees or anything like that. And in the description of this video, I'm going to drop links to my Telegram group where I'll drop all the links so that you can just click and get started. So if you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. So let's go to the practical aspect of the video. But now we are going to crystals, right? It's crystal we are going to learn how to mine. So if I click this link for crystal right here, it's going to bring me to where I can mine crystals. But this mining of crystals is in two ways. This crystal, like, you have to connect your wallets. Okay, so I connect it with Stonekeeper. That's why Stonekeeper is a must. You click on connect and you put in your password. So once it's connected, you come back and it will show you right here. Okay, like today on now, I've already claimed. So if I have not claimed you, I will just click to claim. But for me to claim this crystals, the pool size is 150 million. So now at like 45 million or thereabout has been mined already, remaining 104 million. So this is showing that I am connected. You can also refer if you have the tone by itself, this RUNSTONE, if you have it. But for you to be able to mine it even for free, you must have tone in your Stonekeeper. You must have tone in your Stonekeeper because there's going to be transaction fee for that. And if you want to mine more, you need to buy the NFT. It's not must if you don't have money. Let me just click here so that you will see. For those that have NFT, if you have a RUNSTONE NFT, you'll be mine the one you mine 100. If you don't have the one, you mine 10. Day 250. If you don't have day 225, and so on and so on. But from day 4 upward, if you have NFT, you'll be mining 1,000. If you don't have NFT, you'll be mining 100. And if you don't have NFT, you cannot have a referral link. So I know that at this point, some people will be like angry. Why is it like that? It has always been somehow. It's not everything that everyone have access to it. But don't despise the little beginning. I remember when I cannot afford most of these things, but I am doing this video because I know from most of these free airdrop, money will come in, and the mistake that a lot of people will make is eating up all the money. You need to save some. Any business that you see or anything that you see anyone doing and the person is becoming better and better is because we invest a little percentage back into what gives us money. So I want you to at least, like, you can buy this, you can buy ton, even $5 worth of ton, so that you can start using that for your transaction, so that you can be collecting crystal, even if you cannot afford to buy the RUNSTONE. So, but for those that can afford to buy the RUNSTONE, if you can afford to buy the RUNSTONE, let me show you where or how you can also buy. I'm going to drop the link in my Telegram channel. Okay, so if I click here, it will take you to the link Get Gems, where you can buy RUNSTONE. So but for you to buy RUNSTONE, you have to connect your wallet. And this RUNSTONE, one of it right now is about 21 ton to buy one RUNSTONE. So, and 1 ton now is around $7. So that is why it's not for everyone, but it's for people that can afford to put in something. Okay, it's not a financial advice, but just that's why I decided to share my story from the beginning. Okay, so for those that can afford it, you can buy so that you can be mining more. Like right now, if you check my Stonekeeper, like right here, I have up to 42,610 already crystals, and this crystal is not what we sell. This is what we are mining, and the real token name will come up, and it will be converted based on how many crystal you have. So take note of that. And they also have a community, so I'm dropping the link also so that you can do your own research very well. Okay, you can do your research very well. let me search RUNSTONE. Okay, you can go through there's even the roadmap. There are so many things you can learn about this particular project. It's still coming up, but you are still early if you are watching this video. Okay, you are still early if you are watching this video, because I know that is why I first of all share with you guys the ones you can do for free without paying anything, and the ones you need a little thing, especially like just transaction fee. Like this one now, if I click on my history, if you check my history, 0.05 ton is what I'm using to mine every day, and either you have NFT or not, is 0.05 ton that you can use. That is the gas fee or transaction fee for it. And someone like me, I buy more than one NFT, but I bought for my son, I bought for my daughter, I bought for my other phone. You can actually put all the NFT in one place. You can even have 10 RUNSTONE NFT and let it be in one wallet. So if others, so like somebody like me that have one, if I'm collecting 1,000, you can collect 10,000. But I decided not to put all my eggs in one basket, especially recently as I lost my phone. So I learned not to put, even though I recover everything that I lost in that phone, but I still learn not to put all my eggs in one basket. So if you're interested on the hot, because hot is a bit it needs some transaction, there are things I don't want this video to be too long, it's already too lengthy, so I will do a separate video for hot. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment section. Please, if you have question, ask in the comment section. Don't be coming to my DM to ask question. The reason why I prefer answering question under the comment section of my video is because if I give that answer, 1 million people can still have access to that answer. So that's why you see me replying to my comment on YouTube faster than DM, because if I answer you on DM, that means I will keep on answering everybody one by one, which is not fair for me right now. So please support me by giving me a like, dropping a beautiful comment, share it. You know, the sky is big enough for us all to fly. Aside from that, if you are just joining, I also have a group, Telegram group of 28,000 members, where we talk about different businesses you can do online, different ways to make money on the internet. So thank you so much. And for those that are interested, here are other free Telegram mining app that you can participate in for free. So I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going straight to my Telegram. All right, so right here is my Telegram channel. I'm dropping it in the description of this video, where I used to drop things about hamster and other airdrop. So right now we are also mining dogs, we are mining major, monkey, cats, and all that. So we are going to be learning crystal. So these dogs right here, if you just click on it, it will read how old your Telegram has been, and you get it. And I've already connected even my wallet. I have detailed video on that. I will drop it. And there is also monkey. This monkey, you can even get if you are lucky, you can get up to even 20 something ton or 1 ton that you can withdraw immediately. So that one is another one that you can do for free. And you can, but this particular one, every day after 24 hours you can spin. So whatever you spin, you get it. You can also connect your wallet, so that if you even get ton, you can withdraw it to your ton keeper. I've done a detailed video on that also. I'll leave it in the description of this video.